Friends, as we all are aware that coronavirus has taken lot many lives and we are struggling to get rid of this infection. For this, we have to potentiate our immunity. We have to see that our immunity is boosted, and for that we need to take vaccines. Regarding vaccines, so much of information is available and we are confused whether to go for the vaccination or not. Today we will be talking about vaccines and COVID-19 vaccines in detail. Vaccines are the medicinal preparations that contain the same virus, same bacteria, or same pathogen which causes the disease. Here, those pathogens are either killed or inactivated so that they don't stick to the body permanently. Vaccines help our immune system to do its job better and faster. They also protect us from serious disease long before we catch them. The immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body from harmful pathogens. When pathogens invade or infect our body, they multiply and attack. This invasion is called as infection. Infection causes the disease that makes us sick. Our immune system is always on watch in our body. When it comes across an invading or infecting pathogen, it gets activated. This is called as immune response. It triggers an alarm to our body that there is an infection. Then it starts releasing antibodies to fight the pathogen. These antibodies attack, weaken, and destroy the pathogen. After this, our immune system remembers this pathogen, and in future, if it again causes infection, it quickly sends out the right antibodies. This protection against a particular disease is called as immunity. Most of the time, immunity lasts our whole life, but sometimes the infections are too strong for the immune system and it ends for a very short time. Vaccines help our immune system to fight with the infection faster and more effectively. When we get a vaccine, it sparks our immune response, helping our body to figure off and remember the pathogen. So it gets activated if the pathogen ever infect again in future. Vaccines will not make us sick because they are made up of small amount of weak or dead or inactivated pathogen or bacteria or viruses. Vaccines provide long-lasting immunity to serious health diseases without the risk of serious illness. Vaccines are most efficient than natural immunity, which happens after we get sick with a disease. But disease can be serious and even more deadly. A vaccine protects us from a disease even before we fell sick. Vaccines also protect our community, which we call it as community immunity or herd immunity. So it is important for ourselves and our family to get vaccinated. Community immunity protects people who cannot get vaccinated for certain diseases, such as people with some serious allergies and those with weak immune system.